Good morning, teacher. My name is Henry Cardona. I am 22 years old. I am in the Industrial Engineer program. A Christmas I was spent daytime with my mother family. We laughed, playing game, and told Joe the main dish of my region is chicken stew. The ingredients are 1 uni chicken or whole hen, 4 uni large patatas peeling and chopped, 2 uni or green banana chopped by hand nuts very small, 1 uni of yuca cut and peeled, 1 uni oats finely chopped onions yai, tomato, 1 chicken billion cut unite, 1 tablespoon of saffron or day, 1 handful of parsley, 1 bush of cilantro, 1 packet of picada, 1 piece of salt to taste, 1 cut of striped potato and yuca. Preparation. First, boil the water with the chicken or hen. Second, add the plantain, the yuca and the chicken suit. Then, when the chicken is ready, add the potato and the other ingredients. Next, all the ingredients must be boiling for about 20. I invite you to try this delicious dish from my region. Thank you.